Hi everyone, how are you all doing? You are welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to fix zipper in a ball dress. Not just ball dress, you can use this method for any dress that have lining. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix your zipper and it will appear like this. You can see how this one is. The zipper is in between the fabric and the lining. Please, before we continue, I would like you to help me and subscribe to this channel so that whenever I post any video, you will be the number one to get notification. So in this ball dress, you can see this is the bodice and this is the down part of it, and this is my lining because I made my own separately. So now I'm going to treat my two differently. I'll treat my doll face differently because this method, it will make your work look very neat. After that, you will notice that you can flip the net separately and you can also flip the doll face separately, like the one you used to see in the ready-made. So now from your waistline, we'll measure like from here to 4 inches down. From that 4 inches, like my own ball dress, I have 3 layers of net, but I'm going to treat it as one. I'll hold this net on this side and I'll go to the other side of the zipper and hold the other 3 layers, and I will sew my 1 inch zipper allowance. I will sew it down. I'll also come to my doll face. This is my doll face. I'll come to the doll face on this side and hold it to the doll face on the other side and sew my 1 inch zipper allowance. I'll sew it down. Remember to always measure the 4 inches. From that 4 inches is where you'll start and sew your 1 inch zipper allowance. Then to the lining, I'll still repeat what I did in these two. I will measure my 4 inches and sew my 1 inch zipper allowance down. So I'll take it to my machine. I'm already on my machine. I will sew it and show you guys. Okay, I'm done sewing all of them. This is my two. As you can see, I've made the 1 inch zipper allowance. This is my doll face. I've made the 1 inch zipper allowance. Then this is the lining. This is the 1 inch zipper allowance. You will notice that the lining and the doll face will be facing each other for you to know that you are getting it correctly. The zipper allowance for the lining and the zipper allowance for the doll face will face each other like this, because you know we treated it separately depending on how I used to sew my own ball dress. You can see at the neck area I didn't sew to the end. You can stop like 1 inch before, because when fixing the zip, I will start from here and fix the zip on the fabric. Then after that, I will now use my lining to turn it. So that's why it's good to leave like 1 inch space here. So now after that, when you are done sewing your 1 inch allowance, then I want to show you something here. You will come to the this thing, to the tool. You will turn it like this. This is the thread. You will now bring your scissors and notch. You will notch from here close to this place. Don't notch to this place that you started sewing your 1 inch allowance. Just try and watch carefully so that you understand exactly what I'm trying to do here. You started from the waist area and stopped at this place. That is that 4 inches that you measured. So when notching, you notch from here to this place. You can see it. Because while fixing your zipper, you will take the 3 inches of the other side and fix it inside your tool. As I'm doing this one now, I'm going to show you. So now, when you turn your fabric outside, you will start from here to fix your zipper. This is the waist area. From here now, you are now going to match your tool and the door face. Mommy. You can see where you notched. You will now take this part and fix it inside the door face. You can see. And when you fix it, that is when now you can flip this net after everything. You won't see it now. Maybe when you are done fixing your zipper, that is where you are going to see it. After notching it, you will carry this part and fix on the door face and sew your zipper. Your zipper will now run and enter inside the door face. By then, you must have inserted these two, that part that you notched. So let me just sew it and show you. If you do this particular one well, so now I'm fixing my zipper. I'm almost at the place where I notched my tool. You can see it. See how I placed it. I kept it on top of my door face. This is the zipper, and I will sew like this. After that, I will open this allowance in the door face and continue sewing my 1-inch zipper allowance. And I will stop somewhere here. You can see I've fixed this part. So you can see it. Just the normal way we used to fix our zipper. Just that we inserted this tool here. You will now sew and stop somewhere here. So I'll now go to the other side and still fix my zipper the same way I fixed on this one. So now, this is the other side of the zipper. You can see this is my door face and this is my tool. This is the place I notched, so I went ahead and brought it out and placed it on top like this. So I'll now run my stitches like this up to this side, the neck area. I will sew it and show you. Okay guys, I'm done fixing the zipper, and this is how it looks at the outside. And like I told you, you can flip it. Are you seeing it? You can flip it, so your work will look very neat. And this is the door face. So the next thing, I will now go and finish up my neckline. I will finish those 1 inch I left at the neckline. After finishing it, I will now sew with my lining. Okay guys, this is my zipper. Whatever I'm doing here, I will still repeat it in the other zipper. This is my neckline, so I will hold it like this. I've trimmed off the excesses at the zipper. I'll hold it like this. I'll bring out the neckline very well. You can see. After that, I will still sew my 0.5 inches allowance I used at the neckline. I will sew it and it will meet that place I stopped earlier. You can see it. So I will now sew to this place. So now I'm done sewing my 0.5 inches allowance at the neckline. And this is how I'm holding my fabric, the lining and the fabric. You hold it like this and turn it to this side. This is the zipper you fixed. I will now take it to my machine and sew closely to this thread you are seeing here. This is the zipper you fixed earlier. You can see it. After finishing your neckline, you now turn it. Whatever I'm doing to this zipper, I will do it to the other zipper. You just turn it to that side that you sewed before and sew closely, like 0.25 inches closely to that thread you are seeing right there. That is what I will do to my in my machine right now. I'm done sewing it. You can see this is the first seam, then this is the second seam that you made with your lining to close the zipper. This is it. You can see it. I started from the neckline and sewed all the way to the down part. So after that, you now turn your dress outside, so you can see. Can you see it? Very neat. So that brings it to the end of this tutorial. Please, if you like what you just watched, help us to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.